This video is sponsored by JJ Drones, the droning veteran, and chillin' in Indiana Carl. Welcome to Off the Hook Outdoors. I'm Ted, your host, and welcome back to another product review. In today's review, I'm going to be doing a review on the BRINYTE, the T28 ARTEMIS tricolor zoomable flashlight. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the video. This product is 109 of battery, and what's neat about this battery is it's plug though. Let me show you how this operates. Alright everybody, so I'm going to take it out of the box here. It actually comes in a pretty cool looking box. You can see that right there. And this product is $109.95, and we have an exclusive discount code for Off the Hook Outdoors, and it's going to be OTHO10. And I'll put that in the description also, as well as on the screen right there. And I'm going to open this up, and it's got like a magnet. You can see it comes with a card, the T28 ARTEMIS tricolor lighting sources, and this is just a how-to warranty card and how to operate the light. It's packed really well. You can see there's padding in here. So let me get it out of here. So there's the light itself right there. Really nice, durable. It's made of metal. I guess it's aircraft aluminum. You can see the T28 ARTEMIS there and the BRINYTE symbol right there. So that's really cool. So we're going to take this, and then also what's in the package is charging cable. So we have a charging cable right here. We have the button that you can mount on your stock, your gun stock, and you know, you can zoom it and zoom out with this, and power button. And then this gets screwed into the back of the flashlight, as you can see that, to make that work. It also comes with a rechargeable battery, and what's neat about this battery is the plug. It plugs right into here. The battery gets plugged in just like that, and then it lights up, and it'll tell you when it's charged. So that's really cool. It comes with a lanyard, so you can hold the flashlight, so you can wrap it around your wrist. And then it got a couple O-rings also. So that's pretty cool. So let me show you how this operates, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I got everything out of the package. Got my charging cable, and all you need is a charging block for this. It'll go into any, or another power source with a USB cable. So you can plug this in, and like I said, it plugs in right to the side of the battery itself. Okay, so what you do is you just unscrew the top of this, the flashlight itself, and the O-rings are right here, just so you can see. That's the extra O-rings for, I guess, a waterproof seal for that. So we take this, and we're going to put our battery in. We're going to push this down, and we're just going to, you got to push down a little bit and start to screw that in, and then we are in. This has a zoomable cap like that. You just twist it. I don't know if you can see that, twist it up, twist it back. Now to turn this light on, you press and hold it in. Now you can see the green, you can see the white, and you can see the red. Now this is fully charged. I charged it up yesterday, and actually I used this light when I was in Ohio during my Rutcation. If you haven't seen that video, go back. It's the big buck down. Boo shot her buck in that video. But I used this light to track her buck for about 4.5 hours at night, and this thing lasted the whole time. One battery was at least 4.5 hours, and it was on the white light, the bright white light. So this flashlight is awesome for even tracking deer and just for regular flashlight purposes. Now, it does have the rifle mount for your stock, so you can predator hunt. Like, so this is also you can use it as a regular flashlight and for a predator hunting light. And you just screw this in, and then you press the buttons, and it'll zoom in, zoom out, and all that good stuff. So let's try that real quick for you guys. And I am outside today because it's such a nice day out. I wanted to do this for you guys outside. So let's see here. Okay, so the power's off. You press the button, turn the power on, and let's see how this works. So power on. Now you could do the red, but you have to switch you can't switch colors with this. So you just turn it off, turn it on. Now zooming it in, I will show you guys later on. Once it gets dark out, I'll bring this out and I'll show you guys how it zooms and everything, but that's pretty cool. You just mount that onto your stock, then you have your power button. You can have it at boom, turn it on, turn it off. So that's really cool. What I did want to say though about this, I'm going to give you the pros and cons. The pros are, it's an awesome, it's well-made light. It's zoomable, it's easy to operate with this little switch here. You can see the switch is red, white, and green right here. So that's really cool. It's really easy. I have another flashlight. I don't want to mention no names, but you have to switch the LED out right here to change the colors. And this is it zooms out, zooms in, really cool. And the cons to this are the battery. It only comes with one battery. I would really like for it to have 2 batteries. That way you have plenty of power to power it up all day or all night if you're hunting predators, or if you're looking for deer. It's always nice to have an extra battery. So I'm probably get another battery. But all in all, this is a great flashlight, guys. And another pro about this is you can't press the button. Like if it's in your bag, when you press it, it won't turn on. You got to press and hold it in, and then it turns on, and then you can press it off like that. So I really like that feature too. So you won't waste the batteries when it's in your bag. If something pulls against it, I'm pressing it down right now and it turns on, and then you hold it and it presses and it turns it off. But if you're pressing it, it don't come on, which is a great feature. So there is a 5-year warranty on this also, and I'm going to leave the links in the description of the BRINYTE store, and also the link to the BRINYTE the T28 flashlight, this flashlight. And like I said before, the OTHO10 is the discount code to get 10% off, and the price right now online is $109.95, which is a good price for this light. I just wish it would have a battery, an extra battery I should say, sorry. And there's one more thing to this. It does come with a clamp, and it's the clamp onto your scope, and it's the standard plastic clamp that just goes to your scope and goes to this. My BRINYTE did not come with it, and I spoke to the gentleman that I'm dealing with, and he said he's going to send me that. So it was missing that, but that's no big deal. I actually have a couple other clamps that I could, if I was to use this like tonight to go hunting, I have a clamp for it, but he's going to send a clamp. The customer service at BRINYTE is awesome. It's second to none. I mean, it's an awesome it is an awesome company, and I wanted to say thank you, BRINYTE, for sending me this flashlight and letting me do a review on it. But all in all, I give it about a 9 out of 10. And the only reason why I give it a 9 out of 10 is because of the battery. I wish it came with 2 batteries. So check out ARTEMIS. If you haven't, like I said, check them out online. The online store will be linked in the description of my video, and also the link straight to this flashlight itself, the T28 ARTEMIS. And don't forget the OTHO10 to get 10% off of your order. awesome gift for somebody, especially the hunter or the predator hunter in your family. So go check them out. And once again, thank you, BRINYTE, for sending me this awesome flashlight. So thank you for sticking around for the review today. I am going to be doing more, so go check out my channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel and you like my content, please consider doing so. And I wanted to thank all my subscribers and followers right now that are commenting and that. We really do appreciate that. And like I always say, take a kid fishing or hunting. We want to preserve that sport and pass it on to future generations. And we will see ya. Alright guys, so I'm in my backyard and I am going to put on the white light right now. So here it is right here. So that is how bright that is. Now look at that. That is awesome. You can see basically the whole yard with this. It's really bright. And now I am going to zoom it in. And you'll see it over here. You'd see how far. Now look up at the trees. You'll see how far that goes. That's about 150 yards right there in the trees. Bring it back down. Now I am going to try the red. There's the red one. We're going to go up into the trees. And that over there is probably 200 yards to that tree right there. And then you can zoom it out, and then this is everything is totally zoomed in now, not out. Well, I could say zoomed out, not zoomed in, because this is the furthest. So that's the red. Now we're going to do the green. There's the green. Look how nice that is. This is awesome. I actually can't wait to use this for predator hunting, for some coyote hunting. So let me zoom it back. Let me zoom this in now. Look how nice that is, man. Now that's the end of my yard is about, I don't know, that's 50 yards down there. Now let's go up into the tree. That's pretty cool. And then we're gonna go over to like the 200 yards right there. There's 200. So that's really cool. So let me zoom this back in. So I just wanted to show you guys all the lights in the dark here. So thank you guys.